Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to learn about how to fix Roblox LA on iPhone now. To get started with this, you'll just need to head onto the settings of your device. So just click onto General, and then right after, click onto iPhone Storage. So you should be able to see that one here onto the middle part. So just scroll a little bit, and then right after, once you're in, just go ahead and find the Roblox app in here. And once you already see it, just click onto it, and then right after there should be an offload app available in there. So for you to be able to refresh the app, you'll just need to click onto Upload App. And this will go ahead and free up the storage that has been used by that specific app. So right after that, you will need to reinstall the app again to place back the app onto your device. So you'll just need to click onto that and wait for the app to be installed again. So by this, it should refresh the app and it should remove the lag on your iPhone, and has just basically on to how to fix a lag of Roblox on iPhone. And if you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.